there is always more to learn with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to boost the potential revenues of any online business. Website owners have to know, though, that affiliate programs are not money fountains. Affiliate marketing only produces profits in proportion to the effort webmasters put into it. This video includes some ideas for maximizing the effects of those efforts. Check with your affiliate programs to see if you can receive test products to review. Some companies don't allow this, but there are many that do. The less money you have to put up front, the better. If they don't offer test products, then you may want to look elsewhere for a company to work with. To promote your affiliate marketing business, you should set up various URLs that point to your affiliate link. Web addresses that contain relevant search terms will show up higher in the rankings and entice people who are looking for more information about that term to click through and purchase. It is important to know that with affiliate marketing, you are not required to make your own products. Instead, you'll be helping to sell another person's product. Knowing this is important because you can make just as money by selling someone else's product as you could if you were selling your own. A great affiliate marketing tip is to promote an affiliate product through Twitter. If you have built up a large base of interested visitors who trust you, an occasional tweet promoting an affiliate product can be very beneficial. As long as you're putting out great content, this can be an effective strategy. Be sure to pick a niche that you really want to sell in a market that is not too big. Look for something to sell that is really needed by a small group of people. When you begin with this approach, you already have a market, so you won't have to drum up business. Just convince the existing market that your version of the product or service is the best one. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you must be willing to learn and take the time to seek the information that is going to help you make a profit. Unless you take the time to learn all of the different tricks of the trade, you are likely to fail and waste your time trying. When thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, think about starting with something you already know. This might not be the most profitable option at first, but it will make it easy for you to get started. It will allow you to feel comfortable with the topic and also allow you to give your own personal touch to it. Putting together a good affiliate marketing strategy takes time, hard work, and lots of research. Put into practice the tips in this video. There are webmasters out there, lots of them, realizing healthy profits from their affiliate programs. The things these webmasters have in common are dedication and a thorough self-education in making affiliate marketing work for them. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.